We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the sun.
Good day! Welcome to day 4 of the February Follies. Alright, what do we got here? Oh. Tree swipe! Okay, so tree swipe. Tree swipe, tree swipe. I haven't done a tree swipe in a really long time. I have a thought in my head. We'll see how it turns out. I thought this was going to be Prussian blue. It is actually, I think, mostly black. So we're going to have a little bit of a black base coat here. That's okay. Why not? Right? I have a thought in my head that can be dangerous. I don't want this to be the typical tree swipe, you know, going top to bottom. I want it to be a little stranger than that. So we'll see if we can make it a little stranger than that. I also really want to tilt out this base coat and not wipe it. So we're going to have a little bit of a messy. It's okay. We make messies all the time. Okay, there we go. Nice black base. Yuck. This is going to be a messy one, you guys. I can tell. All right, so usually, you know, people swipe this way, then they swipe the tree. I don't want mine to be like that. I don't know that I've ever really tried to do one like I'm gonna try to do one. We'll see how it goes. If it's a wreck, it'll just be a wreck. We don't know if we don't try, you know. So my colors, golden quinacridone magenta.
The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine.
I shouldn't have gone all the way to the top. Well, we'll figure it out as we go.
On the wall, your head on me.
PBO iridescent green yellow.
Floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be.
And I have golden azo gold.
Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind.
And I have Nick Pro metallic gold.
You just laugh, let it fall where it likes.
And I have some swiping tools. I'm gonna start my swipe with Amsterdam Naples Yellow Light mixed with Amsterdam Warm Gray.
Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks.
Lamp black, Amsterdam.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that.
I mentioned in my description box that I don't think anybody ever reads that all of the paintings in this challenge will be for sale. They will be $50 a piece, and the buyer will pay for the shipping, which is a pretty good deal and a lot cheaper than I would otherwise sell them. Of course, I would usually not sell paintings on value pack canvases, but this is where we're at, y'all.
Yeah, it feels like that.
So if you're interested in one of these paintings, 12 of these paintings, whatever, you just need to say in the comment, sold, and I will get back to you about it, and we will have a conversation. Okay? Okay, I don't like this one. Doing an upside down swipe is hard. I ought to turn this thing around, I guess.
Like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window crack.
Y'all ever get crazy ideas and think, oh, that'll be so cool? Yeah, me too.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track.
I'm gonna make some like little ghosty, just a few little ghosty, get off of there, limbs.
Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na, 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 na. Feels.
I think that's it for my tree. I want it simplistic. I don't want it busy. I don't want it crazy. I am gonna, hey, let's see, what do I want to do first? All right, got this Nick Pro Silver. I'm gonna grab this little fan brush. Okay, we'll do with what we got, kids. It's what we do. I'm gonna flick a little silver on here. Not a lot, just a little. Maybe a little more, not much. Enough. And I'm gonna see if I can squeeze on a moon. Oh, Lord. About right here.
Like that.
Okay. I'll blow on it a little bit. I know what I'm going to do. One more thing. All right, we have it. I like it. I'm glad I put that on there. It gives us a little more dimension. So let's turn it around and I'll bring in for close-up. Okay, here are wet results. I think this is pretty cool. Didn't want your average, everyday tree swipe. Wanted a glowing tree and a moon and a sky. What did I get? A glowing tree, a moon, and a sky. Sometimes, you guys, experimentation happens mid-project. Like, I haven't done a tree swipe in, I couldn't even tell you how long. And I didn't want that whole swiped background thing. Really like that part. I like that cloud on there. I do. Anyway, I wanted to do it this particular way. I wanted it to be really a simple tree, like almost like a piece of driftwood sticking up. And that's what I did. Now, some people, you may be mad at me for putting that spray paint on there because it sort of films out that part of the tree. I think it gives it dimension. It looks like the cloud is both before and after the tree, which I think is kind of neat. Whew, so I hope my camera didn't screw this up too bad. I went to check for some unknown reason, because I'm always checking because I always screw up, and it wasn't me this time. So hopefully my second camera did something besides catch a lot of glare. Let's go look for sparklies. Okay. We have sparklies, and I knew we would. I mean, there's gold spray paint, that helps. The silver is the stars. And that Nick Pro Gold is our moon, which we're creeping right up on. Ta-da. She is a bright, shiny beast. And we should have some in the tree, driftwood, whatever this is. I don't know what it is exactly. I think it's driftwood. I like it. I really do. I think she's very pretty. I didn't want it complicated. And I wanted the friggin' design to be the star of the show. I didn't want the background to be the star of the flippin' show. So I did it my own way. I just did my thing, y'all. It's what we do. Around here, it's what we do. So anyway, I have sparklies. I'm going to edit this and probably cuss a lot because of whatever the thing is that went off. Some kind of notification crap. So anyway, we'll get what we get, y'all. There you go. Thanks so much for coming by. I hope you're enjoying the February Follies. I know I am. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And again, thanks so much for coming by to spend time with me today. And I will see you next time.
Soft light falls on quiet